Hey guys, Jalums here doing a unboxing video of the new PlayStation 5 Nova Pink controller. Now, there's nothing new here. I'm just doing an unboxing. I just recently got a PS5 and it came with a regular white controller, but it didn't have its own packaging. It was just in a box that came with the rest of the system. So that's why I'm doing an unboxing here, just in case there might be any differences or anything that might be worth to mention. Anyways, as you can see here, PlayStation, Sony, DualSense wireless controller for PS5. On the side here, logo, DualSense wireless controller and Nova Pink, and the instruction manual. Now, I'm a guy, and I like pink, so deal with it. On the back side here, you can see you can heighten your senses. Discover a deeper, highly immersive gaming experience that brings action to life in the palms of your hands, all that kind of stuff. So it's got haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, and signature comfort. Now, funny enough, these I find more comfortable than the PS4 controllers, even though these are much bigger and heavier. I think it's because it just fits the hand a lot better, so I don't know. But either way, let's go ahead and open this up and get the unboxing going here. Kind of pre-started the peel, so I can do this with one hand. There we go. Open this up. Plastic thing comes out, whatever that is. And we'll get this guy out. Okay, it feels like there's a box within the box. Right there. Okay. So funny enough, actually the PS5, when I got it, came with the controller that had similar packaging just to this part. Mine was closed right here. So, very similar. There's the instruction manual there. I don't think there's anything in these holes. Nope, but just for packaging and keeping it protected, and so it doesn't wiggle around. And here's the controller. And here you go. Here's the Nova Pink controller. Now, I'm not a big fan of red, and the other color that they have is red, but for some reason, the color red, it just doesn't do it for me. Where this pink is just pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Here, I'll grab my other controller just for reference here. 1 second. So here's the stock controller here that comes with the PS5. It's the white. Got some dust or something on there, or hand flakes, I don't know what that is. But yeah, there's the difference right there. Anyway, that is my unboxing of the PlayStation 5 Nova Pink controller. So please like and subscribe. Jalum's out. Peace.